Hi, my name's Jamie. I've been at the Escape the Rat Race side hustle work group. It was really great to listen to the mentors about different ways we can make money. But I think the most thing I got out of it was, I think my problem is I think too much about the big picture, get caught up in all the, all the things that come with having a really big company. But really I should be taking step by step, baby steps, biting it down in, small chunks rather than the big thing. That's what I got most out of tonight.
What's the next step forward for you?
Keep working really. I've got to write my business plan. I've got to do some more market research. I've got to talk to some more potential customers and finish off the customers that I've currently got at the moment. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay. Anything else? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.